Hi, this is Miss Rowan, the librarian, joining you again. I heard from your teacher that you are about to begin a big research project. I don't want you to stress because we have this amazing technique called the Big 6 research method to help you tackle it. The Big 6 research method helps you with research projects large and small because it helps you make a plan, stay focused, achieve an amazing result, and evaluate yourself to see how you've learned. Today we're starting off with this introduction video. We'll go through our goals, and we'll tackle a pre-assessment to see how much you already know about the research process. Then you'll transition to some videos. We're going to describe the difference between searching, just using Google, and actual research. We're going to break down the Big 6 method into each of its steps. And we're going to review some searching skills you've already learned with me, including how to develop keywords. This is the first time you're using the Big 6 method, so we're not expecting perfection. We are expecting practice to return a really good result. You will take your post-assessment to see how much you've achieved, and I'll revisit you for a conclusion. After the final video, you have a guided practice handout I've created that you're going to work on with your teacher. That's going to give you more opportunities to learn. And then I'll see you in the library. The learning goals we're going to be tackling today include the American Library Association Standard for the 21st Learner, 1A Parts 1 and 2, as well as the Texas ELA TEKS for 7th grade, number 23 Part A, and the ISTE Standard 3A, all of which talk about developing a plan for research. Adding on to that, we've got the Common Core ELA Literacy Standard W7.7, another 7th grade standard for us, which talks about developing questions to drive our research plan. Alright guys, I'll see you back at the end of the videos for our conclusion, and I'll see you later in the library.